Welcome back to Explain the Charts. Today is May 8th, 2025, and we're taking a look at Amazon, ticker symbol Amazon. We're going to analyze both the recent news and the chart data. Recent headlines suggest some interesting developments for Amazon. First, analysts at Tigris Financial have raised their price target to $305, indicating bullish sentiment. Also, Amazon's new Vulcan robot, designed to assist in warehouse operations, is generating excitement, potentially challenging Chinese rivals and improving efficiency. Some investors believe Amazon stock is currently oversold, presenting a buying opportunity due to Trump's tariffs. Let's head into an in-depth look at the daily chart and see how these recent events correlate. Looking at the daily chart, we can see how the price has behaved over the last several months. Notice the period from approximately August 2024 through the end of October 2024. This was a challenging time where the price traded around $160 to $180. That was followed by a period of strong growth into early 2025, reaching peaks around $230 to $240. The chart shows a significant dip in early April 2025, followed by a recovery. Currently, the price is fluctuating around $188. This area could be seen as a support area if the price retraces. Let's narrow down to the more recent candles. Zooming into the daily chart starting in early April 2025, we see a volatile period. The price dropped significantly from around $195 to $170 due to wider economic factors and tariff concerns, according to the news. We see signs of recovery, but the price action shows some hesitation. There was a subsequent rally, but it has since retraced to around $188. This area acts as an area of high uncertainty. Let's switch to the hourly chart to get a more granular view of this recent price action. On the hourly chart, we can see more detail regarding the choppiness around the $188 price level. Notice how the price oscillates above and below this line, indicating an area of consolidation and indecision. The news of Vulcan robots helping to boost efficiencies may be playing a role in steadying Amazon around this time. It also seems like the oversold sentiment is playing a role as well. If the price can maintain above $187 to $188 in the short term, we might see a bullish continuation. However, a break below this level could signal further downside towards $185 or even $180. Let's drop into the 15-minute chart and look closely. On the 15-minute chart, we get a detailed view of the very recent price action, especially on May 6th and 7th. We see the price attempting to break above $190, but facing resistance. Currently, the price is bouncing around, consolidating around a range of $186 to $188. It seems like this support area around $186 is holding up so far. On this short time frame, look for breakout patterns above $188.50 for potential long positions and breakdowns below $186 for short positions. Let's recap the important price levels to watch and some predictions about the future. Okay, to recap, Amazon is currently trading around $188. Key support levels to watch are $186 and $180, while resistance sits around $190 and $195. In the short term, a break above $190 could lead to a rally towards $195, with the Tigris Financial target of $305 a longer-term upside. Conversely, a break below $186 could signal a further correction towards $180, so keep an eye on it. Given the current news and chart data, I'm leaning towards a slightly bullish outlook in the short term if the stock can find a way to sustain trading above $187, as the recent Vulcan robot news may be helping to support that. However, caution is advised due to the uncertain economic climate with the tariff wars, especially if the stock starts to trade below $186. Keep an eye on any further news developments and Fed announcements, which can affect the broader market. Thanks for watching Explain the Charts, and happy trading!